I am here with my trusted beverage consultant, Phil Rita from Vintage Estate Wine and Beer and the Magic Tree Pub and Eatery. And if you thought the big tap-in was a party, wait until you hear what Phil has brewing.
What's brewing, Casey, is Octo Brew Fest 2013, held on September 21st at the Shepherd Event Center for Making Kids Count. This event will consist of Firkins, Frankfurters, Fall Seasonals, and Farmer's Fresh Food.
That's a lot of F's going on, Phil.
Casey, we will be acquiring the rarest beers from all over the world, from Germany, from England, Belgium, small craft breweries from around the country. Not to mention, we're going to have a polka band there too. And we're going to have a Steinhoist competition every Wednesday at the Magic Tree Pub and Eatery, where we will give away one ticket each Wednesday leading up to the final competition at Oktoberfest for $500 cash and a huge stein. A male and a female will win, so you better start practicing.
That's right. You better start doing your lifts and your curls and start hoisting that stein.
Casey.
Oktoberfest 2013, here I come. I'm going to win.
Ziggy, zaggy, ziggy, zaggy.
Oi, oi, oi. Cheers.